Good morning, children. Welcome back to our online classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. I am Jeena, your Hindi teacher.
Children, today let's learn about our new lesson, lesson 15, Sant Kavi Tiruvalluvar. It means Saint Pot Tiruvalluvar. तमिल भाषा में तिरु आदर सूचक शब्द है जो हिंदी के श्री के समान है. In Tamil, Thiru is a honorific word which is similar to Sri in Hindi. यानी तिरुवल्लुवर का हिंदी पर्याय हुआ श्री वल्लुवर और तिरुकुरल का श्री कुरल, जिस प्रकार श्रीमद् भगवद गीता. That is, the Hindi synonym of Tiruvalluvar is Sri Valluvar and Sri Kural of Tirukural in the same way as Srimad Bhagavad Gita. कुरल का अर्थ छोटा होता है. कुरल मीन्स स्मॉल. यह तमिल भाषा का सबसे छोटा छंद है जिसमें एक विशाल भाव छुपा हुआ होता है. It is the shortest verse in the Tamil language in which a huge sentiment is hidden. कुरल लगभग 1.25 पंक्तियों का होता है, यानी आकार में 2 से थोड़ा छोटा. कुरल is almost a quarter of 2 rows, slightly smaller than couplets in size मिली. जनश्रुति के अनुसार तिरुवल्लुवर के पिता का नाम भगवान और माता का नाम आदिदा. According to Janshruti, Tiruvalluvar's father's name was Bhagavan and mother's name was Adi. कहते हैं कि भगवान ने सदा घूमते रहने का व्रत लिया था, इसलिए वे अपनी पत्नी आदि के साथ हमेशा एक स्थान से दूसरे स्थान घूमते रहते थे. Says that Bhagavan took away the roam forever, so he used to roam from one place to another with his wife Adi. वे अपने शिशु के जन्म होते ही उसे वहीं छोड़कर आगे चल दिए. As soon as his baby was born, he left it there and went ahead. वल्लु जुलाहा जाति की एक दयालु महिला को वह नवजात शिशु किसी पेड़ के नीचे सूखी पत्तियों पर लेटे मिला. Never born, a kind-hearted woman of the Vallu, Julaha means weaver, caste, found that newborn baby lying on dry leaves under a tree. उस निसंतान स्त्री ने उसे ईश्वर का प्रसाद समझकर उड़ा लिया और घर ले आई. The childless lady considered the child as blessing of God and brought him home, and together they brought him up. उसका पति भी बालक को देखकर अत्यंत प्रसन्न हुआ और दोनों ने मिलकर उसे पाला पोसा. Her husband was also very happy to see the child and together they brought him up. वल्लू के यहाँ पालन होने के कारण बालक का नाम वल्लुवर पड़ा और उनके महान विचारों के कारण लोग उन्हें तिरुवल्लुवर कहने लगे, यानी श्री वल्लुवर. Because of Vallu's rearing her here, the boy was named Valluvar, and due to his great views, people started calling him Tiruvalluvar, यानी श्री वल्लुवर. वल्लू जाति का व्यवसाय वही था जो उत्तर भारत में जुलाहों का होता है. The business of the Vallu caste was the same as that of the weavers in North India. वल्लुवर जब कुछ बड़े हुए तो अपने जन्म की कहानी जानकर उनके मन में वैराग्य भाव जागृत हुआ. When Walluvar grew up, after knowing the story of his birth, he got a feeling of disinterest in his mind. तब अपने धर्म माता और अपने धर्म पिता से पूछकर वे तपस्या करने के लिए जंगल चले गए, किंतु वहाँ भी उन्हें शांति न मिली. Then asking his godmother and his godfather, he went to the forest to do penance, but there was no peace there. दीन दुखियों की सेवा करने के विचार से वे पुनः संसार के लोगों के बीच चले आए. With the idea of serving the afflicted, he came again among the people of the world. जंगल छोड़कर नगर में आने के बाद वे इधर उधर घूमने लगे. After leaving the forest and coming to the city, he started wandering around. घूमते घूमते वे नगर के एक धनवान व्यक्ति के घर पहुंचे. While wandering, he reached the house of a rich man of the city. उस धनवान व्यक्ति का नाम मार्गसहाय था. That rich man's name was मार्गसहाय. किसी कारण से वह धनवान बड़े संकट में पड़ गया था. For some reason, he was in great difficulty. तिरुवल्लुवर ने उसका संकट दूर कर दिया. तिरुवल्लुवर helped him to overcome his difficulty. मार्ग सहाय तिरुवल्लुवर के उपकार से दब गए तो उन्होंने अपने रूप गुण से संपन्न विदुषी कन्या का विवाह तिरुवल्लुवर से कर दिया. So he got his adored and educated daughter married to तिरुवल्लुवर. उस कन्या का नाम वासुकी था. Her name was वासुकी. विवाह के बाद तिरुवल्लुवर अपने पत्नी वासुकी के साथ अपने गांव आकर रहने लगे और आजीविका के लिए बुनाई का काम करने लगे. After marriage, Tiruvalluvar moved to his village with his wife Vasuki and started weaving for livelihood. दोनों सदा जीवन बिताकर खुश रहते और बरसक परोपकार का कार्य करते. Both lived a simple life and did their best doing charity work. किंतु एक बार वासुकी बहुत बीमार हो गई और उसका देहांत हो गया. But once Vasuki very ill and she died. पत्नी की मृत्यु के बाद तिरुवल्लुवर फिर संसार से विरक्त हो गए. तिरुवल्लुवर again became disenchanted with the world after his wife's death. जीवन और जगत का उन्हें काफ़ी अनुभव था. He had a lot of experience in life and the world. अब उन्होंने जो कुरल लिखे वे बहुत मार्मिक थे. Now the Kurals he wrote were very poignant. उन्होंने कुल 1330 कुरल रचे जो 3 भागों में विभक्त हैं: धर्म, अर्थ और काम. He composed a total of 1330 Kurals divided into 3 parts: धर्म, अर्थ और काम. तिरुकुरल को तमिल भाषा का वेद माना जाता है. तिरुकुरल is considered to the to be the Tamil language Veda. Jaini, Vaishnav, Shaiv, Adi इसे अपना अपना आदि काव्य तथा तिरुवल्लुवर को अपना प्रथम कवि मानते हैं. Jainis, Vaishnavs, Shaivas, etc. consider it their own poetry and Tiruvalluvar as their first poet. तिरुकुरल का अनुवाद हिंदी, उर्दू, संस्कृत, तेलुगु, मलयालम, मराठी आदि भारतीय भाषाओं में तथा अंग्रेजी, रूसी, फ्रेंच, जर्मन, सिंहली आदि विदेशी भाषाओं में हुआ है. Tirukural has been translated into Indian languages such as Hindi, Urdu, Sanskrit, Telugu, Malayalam, Marathi, etc. and foreign languages like English, Russian, French, German, Sinhali, etc. आज भी उनके कुरल उतने ही प्रभावशाली और मार्गदर्शक हैं जितने सैकड़ों वर्ष पूर्व थे. They show us the right path even today after so many years. Children, one more time I summarize this lesson. Please listen. This is a small life sketch of Saint Tiruvalluvar. His father's name was Bhagavan and Adi was his mother. Bhagavan had taken a pledge that he and his wife won't stay at a place for more than one day. So Adi and Bhagavan were always moving from one place to another. When their child was born, they left him at a place and moved forward. One childless woman saw the newborn child under a tree and brought him to her home. Thus, the child was brought up by that childless couple. But when the child came to know about his real parents, he became very sad and detached from worldly things. He left home and went to a jungle for meditation. But he did not find any peace. He came back to the city to serve the poor. In the city, Valluvar met a rich man named Margasahai. At that time, that rich man was in some trouble. Tiruvalluvar solved his problem. Margasahai was pleased with him and he married off his daughter Vasugi to Valluvar. After marriage, Valluvar came back to his native place and started weaving to earn his livelihood. They were very happy until Vasugi died of some diseases. Again, Valluvar became very sad. He composed 1330 Kurals for the people. Those Kurals have been translated into many Indian and foreign languages. They show us the right path even today after so many years. Children, our text activity, page number 103, activity 2 and 3 only. First activity 2, निम्न शब्दों के 3 पर्यायवाची शब्द लिखिए. राइट 3 वेरियस पर्यायवाची शब्द सिनोनिम्स लिखिए. फर्स्ट वन, संसार, जगत, दुनिया, विश्व. माता, अम्मा, माँ, जननी. पिता, जनक, तात, बाप. जंगल, वन, विभिन्न, अरण्य. घर, गृह, भवन, आलय. देन थर्ड एक्टिविटी, नीचे दिए गए शब्दों के विलोम शब्द लिखिए. राइट द ऑपोजिट वर्ड्स. दयालु, निर्दय. भलाई, बुराई. वैराग्य, आसक्ति. जीवन, मृत्यु. समानता, विषमता. आदि, अंत. Children, copy this activities in your textbook.
Let me conclude today's session. I have attached notes and test paper. So all of you attend test paper and post it. See you in the next class. Bye.